Hello, I welcome you all to this another interesting screencast. Um, the problem reads determine the horizontal and the vertical components of reaction at the supports, neglect the thickness of the beam. This problem is coming from the Engineering Mechanics Statics textbook, 13th edition by R.C. Hibbeler. So we have an overhanging simply supported beam with an inclined concentrated load as well as a couple moment at the very end of the beam. Let's call this point as point C. Right, so first things first, let's draw the free body diagram. At the hinge A, we expect two reaction forces. We'll have AY, we also have AX. Okay, we also have AX. Great. And then at the roller, we have BY. And then we are going to have two components, and they've given us already the slope for this particular force, the run of 3, the rise of 4, and the hypotenuse of 5. So this vertical component, this is going to be equal to 500 times the rise divided by the hypotenuse. And then we'll have another one, okay? So we'll have another component, which is this one here. We'll have another component which is this one here, and this one here is just equal to 500 by the run divided by 5. Right, so let's apply the equations of equilibrium, summation of moments about any of the points we are going to pick, summation of forces in the y and in the x. So we are going to apply the moments about point A, the reason being that we are going to take care of a lot of unknown, and we'll just be left with by so that we can easily find the others. Right, so summation of moments about point A equal to 0, and clockwise being our reference. What we have a negative moment from 500 times 4 divided by 5 times the lever arm, which is a 5. Then we have plus by by 10, and then we have a couple which is a clockwise, and this is going to be negative, then equal to 0. Then finally we have our by, which is just going to be equal to, what is our by equal to? So minus 500 by 4 divided by 5, then by 5, then minus 600, okay, then divided by 10. So we'll have our by equal to 260 pounds. Okay, 260 pounds, like so. Then we have summation of forces in the y direction equal to 0, going up in our reference. We have ay minus 500 times 4 divided by 5 plus by equal to 0. We've already found what by is. So by, so we have a minus 500 by 4 divided by 5 plus 260. Therefore, our ay is just going to be equal to 140 pounds. So let me just check. Okay, then finally we have summation of forces in the x direction equal to 0, in that direction being our reference. We have ax and then plus 500 times 3 divided by 5 equal to 0. Therefore, our ax is just going to be equal to minus 500 by 3 divided by 5. This gives us a minus 300 pounds. So let's indicate them in our figure. So this is equal to 260 pounds, of course. This is AY equal to 140 pounds. And AX direction changes. So let's indicate the correct direction. It will be in that direction, and is equal to 300 pounds. Right. I think this is about it. Let me just outline these solutions since these are the ones we are looking for. We have BY, we have AX, okay, and we have finally, we have AY, and then finally we have AX, like so. So this is really about it. We've determined the horizontal and vertical components of reactions at the supports, the hinge at A and the roller at B. And I hope the video was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up, like my video, and continue subscribing. Bye bye, and see you in my next screencast.